Store YouTube, back with another video, man. Today's video is gonna be a POV drive. As y'all can see, I got the head mount on today, so I always forget that I have to duck down before I get in the car. The car is all nice and clean, so and it's just like the perfect time, like it's like the perfect time of night for me to just like sit and record, you know. I took a couple pictures here, so those should be coming out on the Instagram. I'll put my Instagram right here for y'all to follow. I haven't done a POV video in so long, I feel like, or I know I haven't done it in a long time. And it's not for any particular reason, it's just like, I don't know, I just haven't felt like doing it. That's really my thing. But yeah, this spot that I just found is actually like super nice. I'm probably gonna come back because it's a really nice spot to take pictures. I feel like right now is like the perfect time of night. It's not too dark, it's not like pitch black, you know, but it's just like the perfect, it's just the perfect time of night right now. It's only going on 8, so yeah, hopefully y'all day was good. My day was great. Probably gonna have to probably gonna have to if I can finish what I'm trying to say, I'm probably gonna have to roll these windows up is what I was trying to say. Okay. But yeah, it's gonna be a little highway POV, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hop on a highway, do a little bit, you know. Not too much because I still have PTSD from when I got pulled over. For those of y'all that watched that vlog, y'all know that I did indeed get pulled over. So yep, I'm gonna try to just chill. There's usually a lot of traffic right here too anyway, so I'm actually gonna close this sunroof too, because this sunroof can make a lot of noise. But hopefully y'all day has been going great, man. I say this all the time in the POV videos. There's stuff coming for the car. Y'all already know. The next vlog, or no, I should have already been posted the vlog, but y'all know that I just got the bumper done, the rear bumper. I got it paint matched, and it should be going on here very soon, if not already put on by the time I upload this video. But yeah, I'm super excited for that, because once I get that put on, then I can move on to the exhaust, and that's just gonna be super fire. I can't wait for that. That's gonna make the POV videos so much better, so much more entertaining as well, because it won't just be me just like chilling, you know, and just driving, even though y'all probably enjoy that, because the last POV I did, it has like 1.6K views on it. And that's just like crazy to me. I don't understand, man. Y'all are crazy. I'm also not gonna talk too much. I know I usually sometimes I'll be like sitting here and just chatting in these videos, but for this one I'm kind of just gonna sit back and relax and kind of let y'all just enjoy the POV. I know some of y'all like really enjoy just like the quiet POVs, you know, so I'm gonna just relax and let y'all enjoy. this mug. That is gonna be it for today's POV drive, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, man, just as much as I did. I enjoy making these POV drives, man. They're so fun to make. Yeah, they're just super fun to make, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload, man. Yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.